Hello everyone. I hope everybody would be okay, everybody would be safe at your home, and everybody would adopt the new normalcy like you carry your sanitizer with your pocket, you carry your mask on your mouth. These are the new normalcy, and you I hope you would always try to escape from the crowd because crowds is the most dangerous place in this situation. So always try to be away from a crowd and keep proper social distancing while talking or while having any conversation with your friends or your colleagues or anybody in your relation. So these are the very key safety precautions which we have to take to avoid the COVID, because as soon as unlock procedure has started, the number of cases also has been started increasing drastically. So we have to be very cautious, we have to be very alert in this situation, because things are wanted to become a normal, but somewhere people are also things are becoming easier, the cases is increasing directly proportional directly pro- let's start today's topic. So today I have a very interesting topic which I wanted to discuss with you. So let me ask a question with you. If I'll ask, a glass is filled with half water and half is empty, then how you will interpret this situation, this scenario? Let me share my perspective on this. So for me, the person who are looking at the half empty portion, so they person always looking the situation at the negative direction, because they are not able to see the glass is also half filled. Means there is a positivity, there is a chance to deal situation in the positive manners, because situation is the equal for everyone, like half filled and half empty is the situation. So you have to decide how we have to, whether we have to deal with the problem with the negative mindset, or whether you have to deal with the problem with the positive mindset. Half filled, that means the positive mindset, and half empty, that means the negative mindset. So because the person who is looking this glass is empty, somewhere they are showing the negativity of the glass, because they are not looking at the this glass is half filled, means 50% of that glass is filled. So there is a fulfillment of the 50% of the glass filling is there. So we have to look at the problem like that. So if there is a problem, and always I look the negative side of that problem. So I never look at the positivity of that problem, means what can we do to solve the, or what way can we do to plug the issue. So in this direction, the person was thinking, they are always looking the half filled glass, and the person who is always giving the excuses, giving the problem over the problem, they are always looking a problem like a half empty of the glasses. So my message is that you just always try to find out the positive way to deal with the any kind of situation, because in every situation there is a positive and there is a negative. Means and that is depend on you, how you are dealing with the problem, how you are dealing with the situations, whether you are looking at the corona pandemic as a problem, as a disabler for the human growth. So that means you are looking at the pandemic in the negative direction, and there is a positive side of that, because every thing was shut in the lockdown, so you have a better time. That time you can utilize for your pending work, for your improvement, for your learning, because everything was stopped. You don't have to do anything, but you can enhance your skill, you can complete your pending work, you can do some positive work. So in that point of view, you can think about the pandemic, because this is the time where I have learned these kind of things, and this is the time where I improve my skills, rather than looking at the everything is shut, I am not getting money, I am not earning the bread butter. So these are the excuses, because this situation is common for everyone, but some people are looking at the opportunity, some people are looking at the disadvantages of the situation. So this is depend on this person to person, but my perspective on this, always we have to look at the positive side of any kind of situation, always we have to look at the positive side of any kind of scenario. The positivity and negativity will be there, always there, but that person is decided, that person mindset is decided what we have to choose, whether we have to choose negative side of the scenario, whether we have to choose positive side of scenario. If person is choose positive side of scenario, he would have plenty things to do, and the person who choose negative side of the scenario, he always have the excuse to do not complete their task. So always think, always look at the positivity in each and every situation and scenario, and don't forget to share your feedback on this perspective in this question, because this is very important how you are looking at the situation. And situation is that if glass is half filled and half empty, what is your interpretation? I'm eagerly waiting for your feedbacks, for your comments. Please share your feedback and comments with me. That means that will give me the opportunity to grow, improve, and encourage my learning journey continue. Thank you. I'm Sanjay Kumar signing out until we meet again. Thanks.